I made some excellent progress on my 3D printable mechanical switch, suitable for use with keyboards. And this is the magic that I figured out today, this little piece right here. If you listen carefully, you'll hear why it's magic. If I can do this correctly. And I put a piece of cardboard down to give me a little bit of grip. Can you hear that? So it's actually an OpenSCAD script that generates this, and it's parametric, so you can control the actuation distance, the travel distance, and whatnot. It's really hard to do this with the camera, but can you hear that? So it starts at the top and goes about 3.5 millimeters where, pow, it pops. Gives you the nice tactile feedback. And I haven't finished the body yet. I got to figure out a way to basically a way to make it actually throw a switch. Obviously you could do something like optical pretty easily with this setup. So I'm using this red piece because my finger tends to stick to the top, so when I lift it away, the little triangular bit flies off with my finger. So that's just for that purpose. Oh yeah. What a great feel. It feels wonderful. It's just, it's a gentle actuation force and also a very satisfying click at the same time. Right, if you push down, and the force increases a little bit as you get closer to the bottom, and then it snaps right in, but it still lifts itself out. And this is just some crap PLA and the cheapest TPU money can buy is that white bit right there. Nothing special about it. Any 3D printer should be able to print this. I just got to figure out the wire parts to go on the inside and basically make a body around it. Oh yeah, what a feel. It feels wonderful. Very excited to finish this project and keep working on it.